Hi friends, this is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pullepu. Previous video we discussed the very first video preliminaries about the Fourier series using the Bernoulli's integration formula, how to attack the Fourier series. That is Bernoulli's formula explained. Later second video we explained introduction to Fourier series. Third video we explained existence of the Fourier series. Now existence of the Fourier series, Dirichlet conditions. Then I will write, actually normally we discussed periodic function, Fourier series in periodic function. Then in 0, 2 pi Fourier series (2 pi r 0, 2l r minus pi, pi minus l. How to write Fourier series I will tell you. Then in this case of minus pi 2 pi and minus l to l, I will discuss even function and odd function. Later we discuss different story. Now up to time being in full period 0, 2 period pi, periodicity function 2 pi, periodicity with 2l, periods this minus pi 2 pi also. Then suppose I will discuss first f of x. Generally how I am telling period, this what Fourier series, f of x is equal to a naught by 2, n is equal to 1 to infinity, then a n cos 2 pi x n by p, where p is period, plus b n sin 2 pi x n by p, where a naught is equal to what? 2 by pi integral over p f of x dx, a n is equal to what? 2 by pi integral over p f of x cos 2 pi x n by p dx. Bn is what? Integral over p f of x sin 2 pi x. This is the general form, whatever may be period, minus l to l, 0 to 2 pi or minus pi 2 pi, anything it will speaks. Normally your engineering level maximum they deal with 0, 2 pi, minus pi 2 pi, then 0 pi like this, and l may be number minus l to l, then 0, 2 l. So particular case I will discuss. This is the general form. Suppose if my function clear or not, now one by one I will decide. If f of x is in 0, 2 pi, then my Fourier series, how can I write? F of x is equal to a naught by 2, n is equal to 1 to infinity, a n cos nx. Previously what I am telling, 2 pi nx, 2 pi x by n by p. Here period is 2 pi, 2 pi pi means balance nx. Then n is equal to 1 to infinity, bn sin nx. A naught. How you write a naught? You can write always upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2. 2 pi minus 0, 2 pi divided by 2. What will get? Pi. So make it reciprocal, 1 by pi. How will you remember? Upper limit minus lower limit by 2. Make it reciprocal. This will speaks. You don't worry whether it is sometimes they will get half range question. What you don't remember, upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2, make it reciprocal. A naught is what? My domain running from where to where? 0, 2 pi f of x dx. A n now we will write 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi f of x cos nx dx. Bn is what? 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi f of x sin nx. Suppose my f of x is defined 0 comma 2 pi means 4 is. Similarly, my f of x is defined in minus pi comma pi. Minus pi comma pi also same story. F of x is what? First, while starting the problem, always you can write f of a naught by 2, a n cos nx, b n sin x. You will also period minus L to L. It's minus pi 2 pi. Now same story of what I am telling, upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2, pi plus minus of minus plus pi by 2, that is what? 1 by pi. Upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2, make it reciprocal, 2 pi by 2, pi you will get, make it reciprocal means what? 1 by pi. Here what you will get? A naught 1 by pi, but my limit is running from where? Minus pi to pi, f of x dx. A n is what? 1 by pi cos nx dx. Bn is what? Then once if you know a naught, a n, b n, go back and substitute, you will get the coefficient. Not only that, one thing you can remember, in examination they will ask, find the Fourier coefficient, constant coefficient. Constant coefficient means what? Find out a naught, then find value you can find a naught by 2 only constant, just don't leave at a naught. Find a naught using this formula, what value you are getting, some value divided by 2, you can tell this is the constant coefficient. So remember, this is the 0 comma 2 pi minus pi comma pi. Suppose my function defined in, shall I rub off? Defined in 0 comma 2l or minus L to L. First I will write 0 to L. 0 to L means first you can write f of x is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n pi x by L you will get. Suppose previous case if you substitute L is equal to pi means what? N x back to pi will n. Similarly, suppose function defined in 0 comma 2l or minus L to L also, this is the Fourier series. Now separately I will write, suppose f is in 0 comma 2l. So a naught is equal to what? Same story, upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2, make it reciprocal. So 1 by L running from what? 0 to 2l. A n is equal to what? F of x cos n pi x by L. Don't confuse. Bn is equal to what? After finding the values, just you can write. Similarly, suppose minus L to L. So what you will write? A naught is equal to 1 by L, but limit running from minus L to L. A n is equal to what? 1 by L minus L to L f of x cos sin. Okay, actually generally I given formula 2 by p, any period p means you can write, otherwise in time being for examination in engineering level 0 comma 2 pi or minus pi comma pi or 0 comma 2l, L may be any number. In case of L they may tell change of the interval. So in one stroke everything I am giving. Once if you know already something, if you know means what, you will understand. Already some people maybe teach you in classroom something you will understand. From now you can recall, you will understand very nicely. This is the writing the formula for the 0 comma 2 pi. Thank you for watching our video. Kindly share and like and subscribe our channel, be part of our service and inform to all your friends. Okay, bye.